Hi, I'm Beliz, and today we are diving deep into facility planning and design. We are going to cover the core foundation, location basics, and the key factors that you need to know. Let's jump right in. First thing first, what exactly do we mean when we say facility? You might just picture an empty warehouse or factory building, but it's much more dynamic than that. A facility serves as a convergence point. It's the exact place where individuals, materials, and equipment all come together, aligned towards one specific function. Think of it like a perfectly orchestrated symphony. Every machine, every worker, every piece of raw materials need to be exactly where it belongs to create that harmony. But what happens when the conductor loses the sheet music? The consequences of poor facility planning are actually huge. If your layout is a mess, you're going to see poor quality products because of the workflow is disjointed. That frustration leads directly to low employee morale. And when products are bad and delayed, this means customer dissatisfaction. Ultimately, all of this chaotic movements and wasted time increase your operating cost. Bad planning literally burns money. So let's flip that around. We are actually trying to achieve with effective planning. Our main objectives are pretty clear. Lower operating costs by reducing unnecessary movement and energy use. Higher quality output because of our processes are constant and stable. Less waste, that means reducing damaged goods and eliminating idle time where workers are just waiting around. Enhance employee safety and satisfaction. A well-planned facility is a safe facility. And finally, increase adaptability. The market changes fast, and our facility need to be flexible enough to handle future changes. To get there, we have to uh, look at facility planning hierarchy. This is how we break down the big decisions. At the very top, we have micro decision, which is your location. Where is this facility going to live relative to your customers and suppliers? Then we zoom into micro decision, which is the design. Inside the building, we look at the layout. Where exactly do we arrange equipment, machinery, and workstation? And finally, we design the handling system. How our materials, people, and information actually move between these workstations. One of the biggest misconceptions is that facility planning is a one and done deal. It is not. It is a continuous cycle. You start by defining your objective, then you analyze activities and material flows. From there, you generate alternative layouts. Option never just settle for your first idea. You evaluate those alternatives, select the best one, and implement it. But notice the arrow in the last one. Once it's implemented, you monitor it and continuously improve it. It never really stops. The one important rule: your facility cannot exist in a vacuum. It must absolutely align with your company's business strategy. Your facility layout and design should directly reflect the company's vision and mission. It needs to meet the specific requirements of success for your industry, adhere to ethical guide principles, and most importantly, it needs to be pursued measurable KPIs, which act as your evidence of success. Let's bring this specifically into manufacturing context. Manufacturing is the ultimate interplay of materials, machines, and skilled workers. In this environment, logistics play a crucial role in ensuring things get delivered on time. Cost efficiency here doesn't just mean spending less. It means enhancing productivity while minimizing waste. The interplay of all these components is what separates a world-class manufacturer from the rest. Because logistics are so deeply tied to our facility. As engineers and planners, we usually tackle three main categories of logistic problems. Location problems, figuring out the optimal placement for a brand new facility. Allocation problems, assigning existing customer to existing facilities to optimize service and delivery. Lastly, location allocation problem, doing both at the same time, deciding where to building while simultaneously deciding which customer they will serve. This is where the complex math comes in. And finally, we zoom in just location problems. We can classify them into four main types. We look at whether we are placing a single facility or multi-facility network. We also look at the space mathematically. Are we dealing with continuous space where we can build anywhere on the map, or discrete space where we only have few specific landfalls to choose from? And these are the reasons for new location concentration, significant shifts in demand levels or geographical distribution, changes in cost or quality of labor, raw material or energy, increases in real estate values or local taxes, external events like fire, flood, or the need for improved public relations. That's all. Next video will be about discrete space location techniques. We're going to look at qualitative, quantitative, and hybrid models, as well as games implementation. And thank you for watching.